up green stamps to get one of those.
Supermarkets and stores are giving away thousands and thousands of green stamps each day. You get something for nothing, you bet your life. I tried it out and I got me a wife.
I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those.
My wife got the habit, she's saving a few. She's got 7,902. She wants a new hat that she found at the store, and to get it she needs only 4,000 more.
I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those.
Been married 5 years and we live in a flat. All that we have is a dog and a cat. The neighbors next door are just chock full of joy. The store came and left them a cute baby boy.
I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those. My wife's been making some cute baby clothes. I don't know who told her, but somehow she knows. I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those. Saving up green stamps to get one of those.
You can shut up a jackknife, it's often been said. I'm sorry that I didn't get one instead. 5 million green stamps is what my wife cost. I'd give 10 million more just to get a divorce.
I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those.
My brother got married and right off the reel saved up them green stamps for an automobile. The day that he got it from smoking, he died. From the house to the graveyard was brother's first ride.
I'm saving up green stamps to get one of those.
His wife, she got busy, no time did she lose, till some lucky guy stepped in poor brother's shoes. Most every evening they both can be seen riding around in poor brother's machine.
I'm saving up